Good morning, 10th standard English medium, GT Sheikh Vidyalay. Today I am starting my subject Sanskrit. We are going to lesson number 4, Janardanasya Paschima Sandesha. Okay, guys, first I give the introduction about this lesson. Janardanasya Paschima Sandesha, the last message of Lord Krishna. Janardana means Lord Krishna. So now guys, first I give the information about the author. The writer is Bhas. This is the drama. One act play, Doot Ghatotkach. It's a main drama and this is the part of the drama. Written by Bhas. Kalidas, Bhaubuti, Ban, Dandi and Bhas. They all are very famous in Sanskrit literature. Bhas is very famous about his plays. Bhas written total 13 plays and it's called Bhas Natak Chakra. We must be called play in the Sanskrit Nataka. Natyam, it is Natak. So Bhas create 13 plays. It's called Bhas Natak Chakra and Doot Ghatotkach. It's a one of them. It's a one act play drama. One act play drama based of Mahabharata story. So it is very famous and very good and very eligible about the intelligence of Ghatotkach's character. So it's very wonderful drama. So now this is the part of drama. It's a one type of small part of drama. Lesson number 4, Janardanasya Paschima Sandesha. Okay, first we talking about Ghatotkach. Ghatotkach is a very important character in Mahabharata battle. Ghatotkach is the son of Bhim and Hidimba. Hidimba is Demoness. Bhim married to her and then after born the Ghatotkach. Ghatotkach is Demon, but he behaved like a human. Why? Because his father is a Bhim and Bhim is a very good character in Pandavas. He is a very brave personality in Pandavas. So Ghatotkach is the son of Bhim, so it is the prince of Pandav. It is very intelligent, he is very intelligent personality. He is looking like a demon, he is looking like very big, huge person. Why? Because her mother is a demoness. Also Bhim is looking so heavy and handsome. So Ghatotkach is looking like that. Ghatotkach is very brave person as well as very intelligent person. So in this drama, the Lord Krishna appoint Ghatotkach as a messenger. You know very well the Mahabharat epic, you know very well about that. And this battle, Mahabharat's battle, it's a very great battle in our Indian history. So when once upon a time the son of Arjuna, Abhimanyu, killed unjustly, so Arjuna is very angry on the Kauravas and he asked, I finish all them. Suddenly Krishna think about that. So I want to stop this battle. Krishna think like that. Okay, I want again try to stop this battle. So he going to the on front of Pandavas and he asking about that. Okay, we must be try to stop this battle. Krishna appoint as a messenger, as a messenger. Krishna appoint Ghatotkach and Ghatotkach goes on the assembly of the Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra. And this is the main thing of this lesson. Ghatotkach give the last message of Lord Krishna. Last message of Lord Krishna is like that. Please try to understand, stop this battle. Otherwise, we all are destroyed, we all are lost everything. But Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra does not accept this matter, does not accept this message. This is the main theme about this lesson. When you read the lesson, you are understand very well. First you read the introduction paragraph, then after you read the glossary, and then after you read the whole kind of sentence. Samvad Kala, it's a great Samvad Kala from Bhas. Samvad Kala means dialogue deliveries. It's a very unique dialogue deliveries in Sanskrit literature. So Bhas is the master on dramas writing. So when you read the lesson, you also find out that some very unique words used in this sentence, in this dialogues. And the main twist of this lesson like that, okay, Ghatotkacha is demon, but he behave like a human. And Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra is a human but behave like a demon. So it is the twist about this drama. And you know very well Lord Krishna is the great personality. And last message, why last message? Because after this trial, there is no any kind of hope about stop the battle. So it is the last message. So Ghatotkacha is a messenger. He very obedient character. He is a very intelligent character. He is a very brave person. When you read the lesson, you are very much clear about his character. And excuse me, everyone. Most of in question paper, in board question paper, most of ask this short note. Write the short note on Ghatotkacha in English. Okay, in English. So this type of question is very acceptable for board examination criteria. So you can write down the characteristic of the Ghatotkacha reference from this lesson. Okay guys, next video lecture we will talk about more details from lesson number 4 and question answer about lesson number 4. So now 1, 2, 3 lesson are very much clear. Lesson 3 I explain in detail. So in exercise question answer it's very easy for you. Lesson number 3's question answer is very easy for you. So you can do yourself. And then after we start lesson number 4. We must be discussing about lesson number 4's question answer in next video lecture. Okay, till then goodbye. Take care yourself at home. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.